Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day to anyone and everyone who watched this video. My name is Muhammad Bahtiar, and today I will explain about two things. The first is code mixing and then code switching. Without further ado, let's start the video by explaining about what is code mixing. Here are the table of content in this presentation. The first is what is code mixing. Code mixing according to expert, characteristic of code mixing, and last, types of code mixing. What is code mixing? Code mixing is a phenomenon in linguistics where speakers mix two or more languages or language varieties in a single conversation, sentence, or even phrase. It happens naturally in multilingual communities where people are fluent in more than one language. Code mixing according to expert. According to Holmes, code mixing refers to the blending of elements, words, phrase, clauses from different languages within a single utterance or discourse, without switching completely to another language. According to Muisken, code mixing refers to all cases where lexical item and grammatical features from two languages appears in one sentence. Characteristic of code mixing. First, code mixing happens within a single sentence or conversation. Second, code mixing maintains the grammar of one dominant language. Third, code mixing involves inserting words, idioms, or phrases from another language. And last, code mixing is different for full code switching. Next is types of code mixing. The first, there is insertion. Insertion involves inserting words or phrases from one language into a structure of another. The example is, this doll is so kawaii. Kawaii is a Japanese word which means cute. The second type is alternation. Alternation involves alternating between two structures of two languages. The example is, I want to go, tapi ibuku bilang tidak boleh. This word mix I want to go from English with Indonesian, tapi ibuku bilang nggak boleh. The next type of code mixing is congruent lexicalization. Congruent lexicalization involves blending two languages in a sentence where structures are shared. Usually in communities where languages are very closely related or heavily blended, like English or Hindi English. Another example is Chinglish or Chinese English. That is my presentation about code mixing. Let's go to the next presentation, that is code switching. Next, we have code switching. Here are the table of content in this presentation. The first is what is code switching, then code switching according to expert, characteristic of code switching, and types of code switching. The first and foremost is what is code switching. Code switching is the practice of alternating between two or more languages, dialects, or varieties of language within a conversation, a sentence, or even a single phrase. It's a common phenomenon among bilinguals and multilinguals. Code switching according to expert. According to our, code switching can be seen as discourse mode, whereby language alternation is employed systematically to organize conversation and construct meaning. According to Chloros, code switching is a linguistic behavior whereby bilingual speakers alternate between two or more languages in the course of a single conversation, often to serve communicative or social functions. Here are the characteristics of code switching. First, code switching involves switching language or dialects during interaction. Second, code switching is a systematic, not random. So you can just randomly change your language in a single sentence. Next, code switching often has social functions. Next, code switching can shape meaning in a conversation. For example, it can change a formal conversation into an informal one. Next is types of code switching. The first types of code switching is intersentential. Intersentential code switching occurs when the speaker switches language at sentence boundaries. The example of it is, I can't wait to see you. Kapan kamu sampai di sini? As you can see, it switched between English and Indonesian. The next type is intrasentential. Intrasentential code switching occurs when the speaker switches language within the same sentence or within a single utterance. The example of this is, kamu pasti tahu, I like red velvet. The switch happens within the boundaries of a single sentence. The next type of code switching is text switching. Text switching involves inserting a short phrase, tag question, or word from one language into another sentence that is otherwise in a different language. The example of this is, you love me. Benar kan? That is all from me. Thank you for listening and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.